friends, my name is Miss Angela and I'm so excited that you're here. Did you know that there are 4 states of matter? They are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Solids are things that can hold their shape, like a book, clothes, or a car. Liquid flows and takes the form of its container. Gases are air-like substances. You can put your hand through gas and you won't feel anything. And lastly, plasma. Plasma is a gas that reacts unpredictably when very, very hot. Examples of plasma are lightning, welding arcs, and the sun. We've learned so much about matter. Let's do a fun little experiment to bring our knowledge to life. Today we will be reading Elise Parsley's Neck and Neck. Life at the zoo was glorious for Leopold. Every day kids laughed and cheered, and the snacks. Oh, there were such delicious snacks. This morning began with the usual squeals of admiration. Oh boy, the tallest animal in the world. I bet he can see all the way to my house. I just love this guy. At that, Leopold sighed and turned and gasped at the gleaming smile bobbing beside him. It's just like the real thing, only better. Leopold heard between giggles. This giraffe is so cheerful. Well, sheesh, I can be cheerful too, Leopold grinned. It zooms and it bounces, said the kid. I zoom, I bounce, thought Leopold. It's flexible, said the kid. It smells fresh. And I don't have to keep feeding this giraffe. Leopold glanced at the snack dispenser. Rats. He huffed off to his favorite tree for some alone time. Well, see if I care about you and that grinning goofus. Up in the prickly acacia tree, Leopold sniffed and sulked and, ouch, was struck by an idea. He chomped off a branch. Charge! Blam! Pop! And now that I have your undivided attention, bring on the laughter and cheers and the fistful of snacks. Huh? Leopold pondered where he had gone wrong when the kid hooted and danced and tripped. Leopold watched a dozen scrawny necks drift up and up. To save or not to save? Not to save. Leopold alone would be adored, right? Leopold stomped back to his tree. Honestly, those shiny airheads have ruined everything. Next thing you know, they'll be taking over my habitat. Leopold groaned and sighed and stretched. He cleared his throat. Fine, I give in. I just can't compete. The kid jumped up. You did it, he squealed. You saved them. You used your real, live, fuzzy, smelly, long neck and you saved them. There was laughter. There was cheering. And the snacks, those snacks tasted better than ever. The end.